Lesson 3, Personal Pronouns and Verbs to Be. Personal pronouns are used to refer to people in sentences. Here is a list of personal pronouns in English.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
The verb to be is one of the basic verbs in the English language and is used to indicate status or identity. Here's how to use the verb to be with personal pronouns.
I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. I am a student. You are tall. He is my brother. She is happy. It is a cat. We are friends. They are from Spain.
A task: repeat each sentence after hearing it to reinforce learning. Try using personal pronouns and the verb to be in simple sentence is about yourself or around yourself. Note: learning to use personal pronouns and the verb to be will help you build sentences correctly and understand pronunciation better.